So there's another thing that I've been observing, and that's very something that came up is a topic of obsession. I see some of my clients being very, very, very obsessed with a man or a thing. It's almost like an addiction. कि अगर उनको वो इंसान नहीं मिला, if they couldn't find a man who could love them the way they want, then their life would be useless. Can you imagine that practically your survival, whether you want to live or not live, is going to be based on someone you think loves you or you love them? So, like saying ki, does he love me? Does he not love me? Does he love me? Does he not love me? If he loves me, I am smiling. If he doesn't love me, oh my God, life is hell. अब इस चक्कर में between whether you love me or not love me, कहीं पे I also find people going and procuring medication and stuff like that, or start cutting themselves, wanting to kill themselves. तो मेरे सर ने चक्कर खाया एंड सेड कि किस जगह पे ये कनेक्टेड है. And invariably what I have found is that this obsession is not connected in the present. It is connected with the relationship that these clients of mine or yours may have with their parent, especially with their mom. And often what I have observed is that the mother gives birth to another child and the first child stops feeling exclusive. Or the mother had to leave that first child, let's say, somewhere because of financial issues, or because there was an immigration or migration, and the child is left with maybe in a hostel or with the caretakers who are supposed to take care of them. But the child does not understand why he or she has been left behind. And in that story, their whole survival depends on you not being there. Their obsession is more on, where is my mom? Where is my dad? Oh my God, if I don't get my mom, the hell will break loose. If my dad's not there, hell will break loose. And that often plays out later in the day in the form of, if my lover is not there, what will happen? And the chaos it creates in people, it's beyond imagination. So how about talking to your children and telling them that even if we are leaving you, it does not mean that we don't love you. Giving them a reason why, rather than just leaving them behind. Or when when another child comes, how about using that 9 months right from pregnancy, preparing your child so that they do not come up with obsession, which is also a mental disorder, and wherein they can have a happier childhood and an happier in adulthood. If you like what I bring to you, please subscribe to this channel and learn Meta Health. I felt that Meta Health changed my life. So what are you waiting for? Learn and change your life. Thank you.